Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 9th to 21st. For April 9th to 13th, the flow starts out pretty much what we've been talking about the last couple of days. We still have a trough here in Northeast Pacific over eastern Canada, above normal heights here. Zonal flow near to above normal heights across the majority of the nation. But as we go through the period, the pattern as we go to come to the 13th, you can see that now we have a ridge over the eastern Pacific, trough developing here in the west, ridge in the east. And that's how we're expecting the models of good agreement. And we have a southern stream forecast, southern stream waves forecast across the southeast Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm going to go to that. And with another tracking from the west coast into the Rockies. And then this one will develop into a late season cyclone in the central U.S. by midweek. And this has a potential. We'll go to Tuesday. Here it is right here. This is the European at 8 p.m. Tuesday. And we look at the GFS. They're a little different. The European is further to the south. This one's further to the north. But it'll be spreading a variety of precipitation types across much of the region. But sufficient cold air should be in place to support moderate to heavy snow. And then we go to Wednesday. Things start to get really cranked up. This looks like a 9. Or I can't really figure that out. But it develops in a fairly steep, strong system. We have snow across this region here. And then the snow will move into the Great Lakes region. And then we look at the European. Still, the European is further to the south. And then we come to Thursday. This looks like a 978 millibar. Low, and it really, here's heavy rain. This will be snow, some mixed precipitation, some icing. And then we go to Friday. The system moves towards the Great Lakes. Still, this is all snow here, heavy snow, strong storms and rain across along the cold front. And this will be, excuse me, and this will push eastward during the Friday, Saturday time frame you can see here, and it'll bring widespread rain from the Ohio Valley, Mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast. And the system will be then weakening. This is the European. This is GFS. So this will be a fairly strong system. And then look down here, we have another southern stream system bringing snow here to portions of the Four Corners. Okay, April 12th to 16th. Most of the models have a ridge over the eastern Pacific, trough in the west, and a ridge in the east. But when we look at the European, has a ridge, but below normal heights, zonal flow across much of the nation. The NAO is forecast to be negative, PNA positive, so I'm going to go with this for now. So I'm going to go with the European. So for now, I'm going to say above normal temperatures for much of the west. Forecast anomalies be about 2 to 4 degrees above normal, and then near to below normal temperatures are forecast for the essential states with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation for much of this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. For the period April 17th to 21st, gotta slide this over a little bit. The models are pretty much depicting the same as in the previous period, ridge, trough, ridge configuration, except for European ensembles, still maintaining a zone of flow with near to below normal heights across the nation. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for much of the region. I don't think it'll be this severe, or if the word you want to use. But for now, I'm going to say about 2 to 6 degrees below normal for much of the nation. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%, and we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 9th to 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.